Welcome to High Tech Fishing. You bought an HDS Generation 2 and you're excited to use your structure map. How about some easy instructions? This is easy to use. You get to see your structure map overlaid on depth contours. This is amazing. All you have to do is select Menu, Overlay, Structure, and then you want to go down to Source and select Live. This will allow you to see the side scan live on your chart map. Once you do that, everything is live. Now remember, this is just live. It is not recorded data. This will disappear. You have some other choices. If you press Menu, you can go to Structure Options and you can adjust the transparency. So what this does is allows the depth lines to show through the structure map. If you turn it down to a lower number, it just shows the structure map. You have that as a choice. You could also adjust the palette. I mean, you think about this, this is amazing. You can use this to scout an area, and if you want it permanent, you just record a chart. Now to record a chart, go to Structure Options in the menu, and you go down to Log Chart Data, and then you would select it to save to. You want to do it to the memory card because the memory card has way more memory. Do not do it to the internal memory. Just have an 8 gigabyte card, will work just fine. And you record it, and then you have to convert it into a permanent map. You press Pages. Let's go over to Utilities. Go to Files, go into My Files. Now if you had a memory card, you'd go into your memory card, either right or left, and know which one is your blank card. You would then select the memory card instead of Files, and then you would select the file that you've recorded. Now I have lots of files on this card. You can have all kinds of files on this card. You go down and select one you want to convert. We'll say we want to convert number Golf 1. All you have to do is select it, press Menu, go down and select Convert to Map, press Enter, and then it says Save To, save it to the card. The card has way more memory than unit. This is where you want to save it. This is important. Then you press Convert, and bingo, it's converted. Well, let's go view that map that we just converted. Let's zoom out and see if we can see it somewhere. Ah, there it is. It's along the shoreline. Use the cursor with the arrow keys, go over, center it on it. Now zoom in. And let's see what it looks like. It's a path you made along a shoreline. As you zoom in, you say, wow, look at that, patches of rocks everywhere. Now, if you're using this map, think of that cursor as your boat. You can now drive over to anything on that map, and what you're looking at is just like that cursor. So if you wanted to fish that pile of boulders there, you would drive over, you could zoom in and zoom out, and isn't that amazing? This changes fishing. Go fishing. The clock is ticking. If you like this kind of education, go to drsonar.com, and I have lots of education to teach you how to interpret sonar and how to get the most out of your HDS.